Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. The question is, have you ever wondered how your smartphone recognizes your voice, or how streaming services know just what to recommend for you? These incredible feats of technology are all made possible by AI. But how exactly does it work? Let's explore the inner workings of artificial intelligence and uncover the magic behind the algorithms. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and even making decisions. But how do these systems achieve such complex capabilities? One of the foundational elements of AI is machine learning. This is a subset of AI that enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Imagine teaching a child to recognize animals. You show them pictures of cats and dogs, and they learn from those examples. Similarly, in machine learning, algorithms are trained on large datasets, allowing them to identify patterns. Types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning. Supervised learning. In this approach, the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset, meaning it learns from input-output pairs. For example, a model might learn to classify emails as spam or not spam based on examples. The key here is that the algorithm gets feedback on its predictions, allowing it to improve over time. Unsupervised learning. Here, the algorithm works within labeled data, trying to find hidden patterns or groupings. This is useful for tasks like clustering customers based on buying behavior without predefined categories. For instance, businesses can use unsupervised learning to segment their customers into distinct groups for targeted marketing. Reinforcement learning. This type involves training an agent to make decisions by rewarding desirable actions and penalizing undesirable ones. It's like training a pet. When they do something right, they get a treat. Reinforcement learning is widely used in robotics and gaming, where agents learn to navigate environments and maximize their rewards. A powerful branch of machine learning is deep learning, which uses neural networks to process data in complex ways. These networks are inspired by the human brain and consist of layers of interconnected nodes. Each layer processes the input data and passes it on to the next layer, allowing the network to learn intricate patterns. Deep learning excels in tasks like image and speech recognition, making it a vital component of many AI applications today. For example, in facial recognition systems, deep learning algorithms analyze thousands of images to identify features unique to each individual. This technology is not just limited to social media, it's also used in security systems and even unlocking your phone. The question is, so, where do we see AI in action? The applications are vast and growing by the day. From personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles and medical diagnosis systems, AI is reshaping industries. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical images faster than human doctors, improving diagnostic accuracy. Algorithms can detect anomalies in X-rays or MRIs, assisting radiologists in identifying conditions earlier. In finance, AI is employed to detect fraudulent transactions in real time, analyzing spending patterns and flagging unusual activities. Moreover, AI enhances customer service through chatbots that provide instant responses to inquiries, streamlining communication and improving user experience. In agriculture, AI-driven technologies help optimize crop yields by analyzing soil conditions and weather patterns. However, the rise of AI also brings challenges. Issues like data privacy, bias in algorithms, and the potential for job displacement raise important ethical questions. For instance, if an AI system is trained on biased data, it may perpetuate those biases in its decisions, leading to unfair outcomes. As we harness the power of AI, it's crucial to ensure that it is developed and used responsibly. Researchers and policymakers are actively working on guidelines and regulations to address these challenges, emphasizing transparency and accountability in AI systems. Looking ahead, the future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced applications, from personalized medicine to smarter cities. However, it also requires ongoing discussions about the ethical implications and the need for a workforce that is prepared for an AI-driven world. In summary, artificial intelligence works through a combination of machine learning, deep learning, and vast amounts of data. It enables computers to perform tasks that require human-like intelligence, transforming the way we interact with technology. As AI continues to evolve, It holds the potential to revolutionize our world in countless ways. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of artificial intelligence. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. The question is, what aspects of AI are you most curious about? We'd love to hear from you. Remember, the future is bright with AI, and we're just getting started.